Hey, what up guys? Alright, this is Jeremy right here. I'm gonna show you real quick this product. It's called Govee or Govee. I just purchased this on Amazon. As you can see, my room is full of this light. I love this company so much that their light is very beautiful. I mean, the color, it's amazing. You can try this by yourself. Let me just show you how my room looks like. Every little thing here is based upon their light, right? All my room is connected. Everything, look on the ceiling. You go back to the ceiling and everything is just by them. Even under the bed, as you can see, everything is connected by them. It's a really good company. So I'm telling you guys, go check them out. It's called Govee, and it's just simple. I do not like something that's very complicated. It's very simple, and the packaging is amazing. So, and this is how the light looks like on the app. You can go and just check the app out. You go and try to connect. You're gonna have to tap right there, plus, and then it's gonna scan the light. You pick the light that you're looking, the numbers or anything. You can look in the box. It will show exactly which light you want to apply, and just go and put it on test. Look all this stuff they have, you guys. I mean, look, almost everything. The tube light. I even have some tube light under there on my desk, which is amazing. Just look how beautiful it is. So I really enjoy this company.